A web page is able to speak, and even it is able to listen what a user is saying. So it is nothing but it is converting the speech into the text and text into the speech. Not only that, and even it can read the text inside a paragraph in a web page. So you can do all these things using rs.speech.js, which is written on top of Google speech synthesis and speech recognition. Okay, now look at rs.speech.js demo and how to work with that. First of all, you have to import the rs.speech.js. For that, just download this rs.speech.js from my GitHub account, and even you can go through the source code of it. Okay, and now whenever the user click on the speak, now my application will speak that, hey, how it's going. For that, here is the click listener inside of it, speech rs dot speech init. So I'm initializing the speech, and the first parameter is UK English female. So it is the speech name. You can check the speech names from my GitHub account. And the second is a callback function. So on successful initialization of the speech, it will be called. So after successful initialization, I'm saying that speech rs dot speak, hey, how it's going. So my application will speak that, hey, how it's going. And there is a callback function which will be called after successfully reading this text. Yeah. And I told you about this boolean value in my previous video. You can check that. Now test this.
Hey, how it's going?
Yeah, it's working perfectly. And now I said that even a web page is able to listen what a user is saying to it. So for that, on click on the start listening button. So I'm saying that speech rs.rec underscore start. It will start listening to the voice. So it will convert the speech into the text. So it will give you the two outputs. One is the final transcript and interim transcript. On combining them both, you will get the output. You will get the final result. And I am appending this final result inside this document.get element by id e. So the element with the ide. So here it is. So into the paragraph, I am appending this final result. And on speech rs dot on, I am fine. So it means that, so whenever the users say I am mean, I am so sorry. Whenever the users say that I am fine, it have to alert me that, yeah, this user said I am fine. So it's something like, if you want to perform some specific task for a keyword in a speech, you can use this, right? It is a callback function. Something like, whenever the users say save my data, so then you can send some ajax request to the backend server. Instead of using the keyboard or mouse, you can just use your speech. Right, now test this. Hi, this is working perfectly good. I am fine. See, it's working, right? It is able to capture a keyword.